got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh, baby.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. This morning, I'm getting ready to go to Marshall's really quickly. So there's a secret that we've been keeping from the kids. So that secret is gonna be revealed a little bit more in this video. So if you continue to watch, you'll see exactly what the secret is. And yeah, I gotta get ready to do my hair. I need to go and get my glasses on. So when I filmed this video, I was headed over to my grandmother's house, and it is when my mother and grandmother went ahead and gave me their gifts to me. So these are some of the gifts that I got from my grandmother and my mother. And Cam got me the cheetah two-piece night pajamas along with like a little scrunchie. The rest of this stuff came from my mom and or my grandmother. So I did get 2 new coats. This one right here is like one with a hood, and then I did get one that is furry that came with a hood and is supposed to keep the heat out. I did pick this up for myself. My grandmother told me to. This is just a like 3 or 4 piece mixing bowl set along with the spatulas. And then my grandmother found this for me, as she knows I love my Virginia team. She got me the UVA Strong sweatshirt, which is for the players that recently were killed in the shooting at the UVA school, University of Virginia. And so I can't wait to wear it to work or around the house. Okay, so I've been cleaning up the kids' room just because the surprise that we have for the kids is going to involve not having anything on the floor. So I have went ahead and cleaned up the best of my ability. I'm now going to go ahead and bust these clothes down so that he can put these away when he gets here from being with my grandparents. I've cleaned underneath the bed, so by now you guys should get my surprise, and we're very excited. So yeah, clean room number 1. Okay, so basically this morning I went over to my grandparents' house and we did like a unboxing of Christmas gifts. So I was showing you all what I got. Now I'm gonna get ready to head home really quickly because time is not on my side. I always have the kiddos to the point where I need like a moment without them. So I'm gonna leave Sky here at home once I do eventually go back out and go do what I need to do, like I said in the beginning of the vlog. Okay, so I'm in the car right now. I'm actually on my way to drop some stuff off at Goodwill because y'all, it's that time to get rid of stuff. It's no use in bringing like new things in the house if you know, if you're getting ready to get new stuff, you need to get rid of like some old stuff. So I'm on my way to drop off like 1.5 bags at Goodwill, and then I'm going over to Marshall's. So I'll be there in roughly about 5 minutes. Okay, dropped off at Goodwill. Check. So I've made it. Okay, so I'm back in the car from Marshall's. I was able to use my $25 gift card that I got from my kindergarten students to put towards this purchase. So as you guys can already see, you guys already know what the secret is, so I'm just gonna say it. We were offered by my mom's good friend to take over her 2 dogs. They're both Yorkies, purebred, 2 little female dogs. And so we said yes. Charles said yes. I think I should add that in there. So last thing for me to really order next is the leash and 2 collars or whatever. Yeah, so I'll go home and Amazon that. Other than that, they have a blanket, they have a bed, they have a blanket, they have a bed. They have a couple toys to start them off with, just because I want to start over fresh. And so yeah, I just gotta pick a day that we'll be getting them. So quick update. Yeah, not really feeling the best, so I decided to put on a mask. But I did get something in the mail today that we will need for the surprise. The other thing I'm waiting on to be delivered tomorrow. So let's just see. These don't look really small, like I thought. I don't know. If not, I'll have to send them back. It does look like it's small, but I'm just not for sure if it's like small enough. But anyways, we got red and black plaid, and then we have black and white plaid. I'm still waiting on the leashes to come in. And then there's a connector that will allow us to walk both at the same time. So yeah, I'm trying to talk low because they're here. And yeah. Okay, so the secret is happening ASAP, even though I'm not feeling well. My mom's like, I'll bring them to you. So, I'm gonna set everything up, and I'm gonna put the elves in the living room tonight with a note that says that they're in for a surprise and they have to guess what it is. Oh God, I hope this goes well. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and set the toys up in this bin, and the bed will probably be like the top part of the secret. I'm not putting that out yet. Sky and Cam, your mom and dad organized a surprise for you. We hope you enjoy it. It will be here sometime today with the help of Mimi since your mom is sick. Love, Sparkle and Frost. P.S. We hope you take good care of your surprise. It's a what?
It's a dog.
Oh, I got glitter all on my camera.
I think it's a dog.
You think it's a dog?
Yeah.
Cam?
I've really been hoping for this.
I can't get a word on it.
You don't know?
Nope.
Wait, I think I know what it is.
You think you know what it is?
Well, since Sparkle says to
Take good care.
yeah, take good care of it, that means I think she's getting tools to fix you.
You think she's getting tools to help fix me?
Yeah.
What?
What kind of tools?
I don't know, but or I have another question if it's like toys because she said to put it up together.
Oh, you think it? Okay, she thinks that it's toys because no, she thinks that it's toys so that because it's saying help put them together or to take care of it.
Ooh, wait. Toys can't put it together.
Yeah, there's some toys you can put together, like Legos.
Yeah, but a Barbie dream house
Yeah.
too. But I'm not getting that one.
I had changed my clothes because I'm gonna end up having to go outside. But anyways, my mom is bringing the surprise. I read the kids the letter, and you guys seen their reaction. You see what they think it is. Yeah, I'm up here taking some Tylenol cold and flu medicine, which is gross. Because that coffee did not do anything for me. I still can't, yeah. But anyways, let me get ready to call her and see where she's at with this surprise. All right, so the surprise resulted in the kids having to put jackets on and socks and shoes on to go outside to meet my mom. So we'll see what happens when she pulls up. Okay, look in the car. Look in the car.
A dog!
Hey, dog.
What do you see, Cam?
Two. Skylar's two of them. The small one is Sasha.
Oh, wow. They look the same size. They look the same.
What the world is both these
Where can you find dogs?
Probably Uncle Nick.
I don't know if it'll bite me.
I got this one. No, that's all right. Okay, so with the help of my mom, because I don't really feel well, she brought the dogs up. This was the surprise for the kids. It was going to be either after Christmas or before. Luckily, it's over and done with, so they'll be here with us before Christmas, and so that we can kind of get used to them over break. So yeah,
Mom, can I give them some dog treats?
that's dog food, sweetie.
I mean, can I have a spoon?
Leisha, come on. Cam, open it up. Have the leash thing ready. So what do you think? So what do you think, Sky? Sky, it's okay. Calm. So it's like really cold out here, but I'm not cold because I don't feel well. But anyways, the kids have the dogs out here. So the dog's name is Sasha and Serenity, and we got them from my mom's good friend that she works with and went to school with. And the kids love them.
No, you're not going under the car.
They love them. Hi. 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 Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart.
Pick them up. I'm picking them.
Hi. Yeah. Hi.
Can I pick them up?
Pick her up. Y'all, this is a joke. Come here. Come here, sweetie. Come here. Come here.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hold her.
Oh my god.
See how teeny she is?
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. Okay.
Yeah, I want to pick them up.
Okay. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. race?
Yes.
Guys, you're so cute.
I'll probably be slower than both of them.
Okay, so I've kind of organized everything. We got shampoos, we got some disinfecting wipes, housebreaking spray, couple of wipes, a to-go thing, food dispenser, some pads, all of their toys, other collars that I had bought for them. But I'm waiting on the leash to come in today. We just used what was given to us, and then a blanket for them. They just came with their cages. They have their food, and I just gave them some water. All of their non-toy necessities is in here, and a blanket. So we'll just see how the rest of the day goes with these kids and these kids. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my Vlogmas day 21 and just watch me some Greenleaf. I've already watched it before, but it's really good and I want to watch it again and get these girls used to being in the house without my daughter terrorizing their nerves, because she is just so after them. Look at her with the girls. Hi. So yes, y'all, thank you for tuning in to Vlogmas Day 21. If you've made it this far, be sure to go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Make sure that you're subscribed if you're not already. And I'll see you guys for Vlogmas Day 22, which is going to be pretty epic because I have some really great TikTok viral drinks for Christmas that you all are going to want to try, especially if you love Starbucks as much as I do. So be sure to stay tuned.